The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, released in January 2021, is still a solid choice for users today. With its impressive display, powerful performance, and versatile camera system, it continues to attract those seeking a premium smartphone experience. Let's take a quick look at its standout features. The Galaxy S21 Plus features a large 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, which is Full HD+. The display supports HDR10 Plus and features an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. With peak brightness reaching up to 1300 nits, the screen remains highly readable even in bright sunlight. The Galaxy S21 Plus sports a sleek design with Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and back, and an aluminum frame that boosts durability, weighing in at about 202 grams. It feels premium in the hand. The device comes in several colors: Phantom Violet, Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Pink. The Galaxy S21 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, delivering excellent performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. With 8 gigabytes of RAM, it handles everyday tasks smoothly and efficiently. The device features a triple camera setup that includes a 12 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. This versatile configuration allows for high quality photography in a variety of conditions. The camera system supports 8K video recording and includes features like super steady video and night mode, enhancing its capabilities for both casual and professional photography. Equipped with a robust 4,800 mAh battery, the Galaxy S21 Plus offers respectable battery life that can last through a full day of moderate use. Users can expect around 9 hours of screen time under typical conditions. It supports fast charging up to 25 watts and wireless charging via the Qi standard. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G remains a strong contender in the smartphone market to this day. Its powerful Snapdragon processor, versatile camera system, and high-quality display make it an excellent choice for users looking for reliability and performance in their mobile devices.